The LG V20 safer, and today has been a video about the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G for perfect wireless. So the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is now an perfect wireless. It's available now for $699.99. So you guys are looking to get a Galaxy S20 for very cheap. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is the phone for you. So now Cricket finally got this one, so this one's now available on every postpaid and prepaid carrier out there. So this is the final thing. For now, you guys will have a whole punch with front facing camera, power and band keys will be on the rest of the phone there. And you guys have the option to pay $30 a month for this phone with the phone there, so check that out. If you guys are interested in paying it monthly or paying full at $699.99. Oh, that's what new customers. I say much less for family customers. $699 as well. So, it is one of those guys. So that's fine the phone right there. The left side of the phone, I don't see shit. No, I don't see nothing. And then on the back of the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is your three camera setup, camera flash, and your Samsung logo. I just have the Galaxy S20 design, of course, but this one is a bit cheaper than the Galaxy S20, which the Galaxy S20 is pushing down in price a little bit now because the Galaxy S21 is now out. Well, it's coming out here soon, the S21 that is. It's available in Cloud Navy, so yeah. So it says here, all you want to do is, it says all you want to do, all you do. It says all you want to do, all you love. You deserve a phone that delivers industry-leading tech and allows you to express yourself in the way you choose with the appropriate camera, 120Hz refresh rate, and then all the intelligent battery that charges up in minutes. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition delivers uncompromised innovation. This is unexpected. So you guys will get 5G on this phone here. So for $700 you'll get 5G, so that's nice. 120Hz refresh rate is 6.5 inches, which the Plus Infinity area this phone. So you did get a 120Hz refresh rate, which is really cool. Triple rear cameras, 32 megapixel front facing camera, and 8K video on the rear. 4500 mAh battery, 128 GB of onboard memory. I think it does have a micro SD card. I think it does have one. And you have an in-display fingerprint sensor, so it is pretty nice. So this pro-green camera was 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel wide angle, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lenses with 3 times optical zoom. The perfect shot is one tap away. Not to be outdone, the selfie camera versus a 32 megapixel lens. Holy shit, 32 megapixels. I think the Galaxy S21 has a 40 megapixel camera on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, I think. 40 megapixels on the front, that's crazy. And for video, you can capture everything with 8K resolution. Sheesh, for something works, why not, right? You also will have single take AI. One tap on the camera shutter button that captures multiple images and video all at once. Lenses, effects, and filters capture the best of every moment, every time. You also get an all-day battery, an intelligent battery that learns from how you live to optimize power. It takes you through a day without giving out on you. Download and upload files. It says download and upload files to the cloud. Catch up on your favorite series and scroll through the latest feeds. And scroll through the latest trends without the dreaded low battery notification. So you guys should get great battery life in this phone because it has a 1080p display. and a 4500 mAh battery. And like I said, it also has a 120Hz refresh rate, which is, I don't know if that's turned on by default. You guys may have to turn it on out of the box or on your own. So you do have the option for the 120Hz refresh rate. It has Android 10 on there with One UI 3.0 or One UI 2.0 or whatever the UI was for Android 10. Your dimensions on the Galaxy S20 front edition: 6.29 inches height, 2.93 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. 128 gigabytes of internal storage. You do have a micro SD card up to 1 terabyte. 6.5 inches Full HD plus Infinity display with 120Hz refresh rate. 5G connectivity also with 4G as well. Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C, octa-core processor. Cameras, you get 3M on the back, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel telephoto with 8K video, and you get a 32 megapixel front-facing camera with 8K video as well. That's pretty insane. I did not know that the front camera recorded 8K video. I did not know that. Hoping that's not a typo, but we'll see. And of course, you get a 4500 mAh battery on board. Also, it does have fast charging as well. If you guys want to check out some accessories, you guys should look here. But if you guys want to get more accessories for cheaper, go to Amazon and type in Galaxy S20 Fan Edition to get your accessories there. So, yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is now wireless. It is now available for $699 and $99. So if you guys are looking to get a Samsung Galaxy S20 on the cheap, the Fan Edition can be different for you to check out. It does have very nice specs. It looks very nice. I'm not a fan of the cloud navy color. I'm not a fan of that. I'm just not a fan of the cloud navy color. I am not. But the front does look very nice. So it's basically a Galaxy S20, but cheaper. So the Galaxy S20 should be coming down in price anyway, because the Galaxy S21 series are coming out very soon. So yeah, for $700, this is not a bad pickup here. It does have great specs on it. 5G for $700 is a win. 120Hz refresh rate and all that good stuff. So yeah, you are getting a lot for $700. And you guys will have the option to do it monthly at $30 a month with a firm. So check it out. So yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition 5G, now available at Google Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.